Hello, welcome to the Smart Accelerator. This video is about some products. So what actually is a sum product? Some products is like two products multiplied and then we check the sum of the two products or two or more, whatever it is. So you can see here in percentages and non-percentages. So the percentages, I'm going to show you a very simple example. So if I want to know this multiplied by this and the percentage of this multiplied by this multiplied by. So you can see, I'm going to remove the percentages here. So it's showing you the answer. But in case if you want to do for many other things, so you have to keep on adding, you have to keep on adding, then again you have to keep on adding all those stuff. So it will be a big headache. So what you can do is you can do a sum product formula. You type 0 is equal to sum product. If this, you can check an array. So I'm going to show you both ways. First, if you select this as an array, you have to log this cell here, and you can select one by one, and you can close this. And here the answer is the same, but here it's varied in percentages. So if I go this to a number, we can change this. So now if I want to try to get the answer for all this, I just have to drag in. This should be the answer. I will show you the other way around also if you want to see. I'm going to do some product, and I'm going to select this first and select this in the second, and I'm going to log this in. So will the formula work? Yeah, it does. So I can just pull it down. So it works in the both ways. And in case if I want to see for item 1, item 3, 5, and 7, and just want to see in this odd numbers. So is it possible? So you can do that also. You can just do some product. You can select this for 7 array, log the 7. Then you can select this as sub arrays. You can see select this comma, this comma, this comma. So you can select as per 266 numbers. So you can see this. You can select as numbers now. But if you want to see that, if you want to make a total of all, can you do that? So in case if I remove this and I try to expand this, totally remove this. And if I want to make this as a complete array, is it possible? If I select this, and so it will give me a value error. So that is not possible. The same way, if I'm to do the same thing in percentages, I can do for other values in this. So the paste is here, it's the same thing. So this is in numbers or integers. Now, if you want to check the whole total of the whole section, then you can do is you can put the sum formula, and you can do the sum for the whole. So this will give you the whole sum, the sum total of all these numbers are been added. So I hope you find this video useful. It's a very simple video on some products. So hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.